See and hear many more spectacular performance exhaust options for this vehicle or any other vehicle you wish. It's all on our famous YouTube channel. Simply go to our incredible YouTube channel, click on the playlist tab, and find your vehicle's playlist. Then buckle up. Since 1978, Kinney's has been producing some of the nation's finest performance exhaust. We've gotten to know hundreds of amazing customers from all across this great nation. Don't hesitate to contact us for your personalized performance exhaust needs. Kinney's has and always will offer free courtesy trouble code readings and exhaust inspections. Don't forget that Kinney's gift certificates and gift cards are a great gift idea all year round. Yelp does not hand out these kind of awards like candy on Halloween, but they've awarded Kinney's as one of the very highest rated and best reviewed businesses on Yelp.
Kinney's Street Demon and Tunnel Ram Performance Mufflers, found only at Kinney's Performance Exhaust Center.
Don't forget, Kinney's offers K&N and AFE Performance Cold Air Kits. Add even more performance and efficiency to your vehicle with guaranteed horsepower. Kinney's has your air kit in stock right now.
Quality beyond the everyday muffler shop. The nation's premier performance exhaust center. Kinney's.
The quality goes in before this name goes on. So often copied, yet never duplicated. Everyone deserves the quality of Kinney's. Kinney's proudly opened its doors for business in 1978. We've always had a passion to create the very best custom exhaust possible, and in 1998 began to record vehicles with our custom systems on them. This gave our customers the ability to hear and see what their vehicle could look and sound like. Little did we know at the time that that was just the beginning of our now famous Kinney slogan. See it and hear it before you buy it. Fast forward to today. Now Kinney's is recognized as America's flagship custom performance exhaust center, with cutting-edge fabrication and a list miles long of name brand, as well as our very own Street Demon and Tunnel Ram proprietary products. The amazing success of our videos has us housing over 2,000 videos in-house and online for our customers to utilize as a valuable resource. It's time to see and hear what you've been missing at Kinney'sMufflerShop.com, America's flagship performance exhaust center.